Okay, let's see if we're gonna get a good record now. Just gotta migrate here and there just to get my good kit going. There's both kit going at it. Both kit. Quite wind, not too bad. Seems to be pretty good. Ooh. See, they gonna start busting anything. Start going up higher. Yeah. Wind's keeping them on that side. So it's quite hard to give me another good video. You know, want to see what really getting it up there. Where's pushing towards different wind direction. There we go. Yeah, birds quite low. It's hard to get me a good record. Birds too low. So every time they get a good loop coming back around, show good potential of the bird. Yeah, see they're looping on that side. They get, better opening, better depth, bird more happy on that side. They see they're gonna come back around, scoop around with the speed. But yeah, birds keeping low. So let's see they're gonna pop. They turn back with a good speed. Probably get to watch them. But they're like they probably went down on that side of the street, picking up everybody. Doing a break on the other side. Just birds that needs to know wind direction, what side they're gonna be, getting good break. Probably getting pushed off to the street. Yeah, I haven't seen them up yet. Oh, they wait on the other side. They come. It's step on that side of the street. Birds enjoy more. But it seems to work it, flying real well. There we go. Let's see if they're gonna keep up right here with me. If they do, we get to watch something cool. If they don't, you know what's gonna happen. Ooh, that's a good break. Bunch of brother and sister. Been doing this many years. Flying brother and sister been doing me some good year stuff. It's hard to get the bird because the wind. Yesterday, wind direction was going. Yeah, birds are working on that side, guys. go. Yeah, see, a low on that side. Somebody just in the light. Ooh, thought I heard something went over there. Hopefully not. There we go. There we go. Ah, nope. Okay, look like they're gonna play it all right on top of the house. Yeah. Woo! Bird. Y'all better watch out. Y'all about to get stuck in the tree, yo. Bird play low today. Bird's playing throughout the whole neighborhood. Yeah, it's hard. Just gotta be in the street. I hate being in the street. But it is, it is. Yep. Looking back. Oh man, that love that side. Can't do this no more.